Show them how fast they can DJ. Love. We don't even go away, no man. You man, no never. Me will never go for the brother. Always tell me that I'm gonna think about you. I don't leave that so clever. When God put them in a shop, when you're in a box, send me with you. Of course, that's why we will never leave out there. Now we don't know she will never. Now until I bring the famous, I can't dig up the world and treasure. Oh man, I will try, girl, I will place a pleasure. We have them at will is a father, God never create them better. Hey, we don't come into it. No man, 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 no It's your time.
What you want, so? Kiki. What you want, so?
Yo, alright, here what? Listen, I want to go and tell Craig T said can DJ fast and show the whole world. You see me I say?
Yeah.
So I'm going to use the bass boys and this trying to play.
Good boy. We not gonna go with the man up on the back and we come in the pipe and on the big up and tell them to be the pan. We not standing up because them just some outside of gun sexy body permanent. When them people I don't want to call them off to get her wrong bomb. That simply means say the boy call for weak Islam. The boy in area. Get around me like a terrier. Say that.
Why you give them a different verse?
What you say?
Give them a next verse.
A next verse?
A next verse.
All the man never know for deal with the girls and proper say proper. All of the girls never want to deal with proper say proper. Alright, let me tell you how we deal with it.
Talk to them.
What you say? New lyrics? New lyrics. Alright, apple tree. We make y'all ride up on the pole just like a roller coaster. Bring the girl close and make me pin them up just like a poster. Bad man not supposed to make y'all go the road. Say you pop them nose and make y'all come. Them feel it on them head back to them toes again. All me know me again, I ring off the Motorola. Girl was shaped like Coca-Cola, drive me down in a Corolla. When me certain people are proof on our shoulder, she get off like a over. She knows I'm gonna pass it over.
I want to drop one more verse on the road.
A different verse?
Yeah.
Good boy. All the man never love woman, say woman. All the man never love woman, say woman. Let me tell you about Bob Rush. Hear the verse, yeah. Listen to me. No man told me with the lily in the fish, the scale of the lily in the round the pool of the passing through fire, we blaze win our business at home. Fire for your boy where you play number 2. Chichi boy cannot par with the crew. We tell them say fire feeble. No matter how them try to hold it fire down. Make them know say we keep it blazing forever we are born. And we keep the fire burning hotter than the sun. Forever blazing fire. Yo, big up my friend Nashville, aka Cashville. Big up the whole of the club, big up Jason Madan.
Alright, hold on then. You know, so I know tune about can't do the whole of them.
Yeah.
So you know what, I'm going to request that one, so I have to drop it to the girl. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Read it.
Yow. Alright, the girl let me know saying scream for me please. Yeah, I got there, me notice, for the auntie. Sure. Look at your heart, a girl say she fun with me, she know say that you hotter. No man no one no girl when you live like a starter. Party chippy and they put butter. When you're the hotter, well out a pretty girl and out the girl, she had the latter. Girl I wink off a man and her eye full of. And she talking her belly feel. Me chop. Walk on my girl, walk on. Walk on my girl, walk on. Make a move.
Yo, hold on! Chucky me!
You know me? Yeah, go! So me talk about the lawyer, well, I'm the girl fire, so me the girl fire, then the girl fire, the girl fire, then the girl. Everybody love woman now. See it, yeah? The girl them want it. Yeah! The girl you need it. Yeah! Everybody love woman now. So woman to the king. And this bag of man talk.
girls them. When this up in the girl, we don't say them no regular. If you put in a little bit, you're gonna find a penny pies in a lot of two. You're passing down like a little bar. Some of the busy get paid. Just be the one and do it up in the dance. And them get around and watch you let them in a trance. Miss a guitar, miss a life, I'm giving you one pass. No one doesn't finish out. My girl shake up, bam bam, bang to the ground. I'm up and I got you 6:30. Bam bam, wine and go down. Where the road war them? Where the road war them? Let me see some gun signal. All of the road war them are represented at the house tonight. Let me tell you, Batman different from Paul, natural level. Batman and Batman, Paul is a Paul. That's not what I say, not just Paul. This is not the family, you're from the boss. When the machine on me, I'm up and tell every director. He got something to pass you, that's cool.
Alright, hold on, stop that super, stop. Hold up. This is step cross, next step cross. But people change up my show, yes, you know.
What you want to know?
I want to give them something different. A different vibe.
What you want to know?
We want with DJ.
Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, Johnny here at the close show shop. And in the man you get him off and come back. Your white shorts kind of fat in the back. Give them a girl poor. Run out and get rolled. You shot with your ear door. So that you are gonna try, she can't act like you. When I'm a clerical, you swap, turn up. You're in a black or in a white. Nobody said right. You are the man, never blind. Try right, shorts, she's a walk out same time. Let me see you jump. Bubble. I can't say what's your bubble. Alright, what's your 6:30 then? Alright, you're bad. Alright, you're BAD. Bubble like a bubble back, like a bubble bubble. People like a agent. Come me know your trouble so. Think say you're bad, girl. Alright, come so. And if you're here, call it all the road. Let me tell you this. Bubble here with your man. Bubble, why? Dash for that. I don't know.
Yeah, cause we're not going over.
Yeah, you understand? Big up ever hype to that. Yo, give all of the artists a round of applause. I want to introduce Jesus.
Really, my man?
I want to introduce to you. First from Guyana is a very talented artist. And she goes by the name Tamika Marshall. Yeah, remember going to make some noise for all of the artists that were introduced on the stage. Now we introduce to you Tamika Marshall. A song called Take It Easy.
So you know what, you can get me straight from Guyana.
Yeah.
Just to do Barbara.
And I'm honored for you to be here.
I'm honored to be here. Whoa, yeah. What was and trouble in the world today. Things not going your way. Easy to slip away. From the joys of life, every day's mystery. It's fulfilling your destiny.
What you talking about?
Take it day by day. Woman say, take it easy. Don't let it know. If you're going through trials, don't let it show. Gotta take it easy. Let it flow. You won't know it's not. Listen to me. This will never go exactly how you plan. Even for the wisest man, you gotta stop taking a chance. Even though you may not have the upper hand, I just had to try again. Don't ever stop for pushing ahead. Take it easy, let it flow. You won't know it's by yourself stuck in the road. Yeah, take it easy, let it flow. And you won't know it's by yourself stuck in the road. That's just the way it goes.
Tamika Marshall, a round of applause. Coming down the stage. Jamil now.
Yeah.
Introducing again Jamil. Do you think it's signed and sealed? Tamika, it's a beautiful song.
Yes,
Big thanks.
really, you're crazy.
Tamika, you sing about?
Yeah, she is crazy. What?
Flick me up here, Fox. That's near morning side. Make we take a morning ride.
There is one inside. Alright, yeah.
From you walk in, me no want you walk away. And girl, you have no heart to say. Come me just do so hard. When me get you so hard. See how you wanna be the one, girl. I wanna be your man. And put the ring up on your hand. And that's gotta be the plan. With you big arrow in your shoes, the girl the feel is mutual. Girl, want you to look too. Oh, I find it hard to say goodbye. Can't do without you. Want you to look too. Oh, I find it hard to say goodbye.
I'll never be the man that you deserve, and I'll never be able to show you your worth. But you see my heart and you feel my love, and somehow to you, baby, that is always enough. You are my treasure.
Wagwan! Hey, you don't want to room. Introducing to you Sleepy Hollow Tips. Remember, expand when me and you part. Just a little man a look a start. You want a bench, no man no put a cat. Girl, they heard it to me. She said she want to find a love, find a love. But you vanity, she blind to love, blind to love. You know you see me with my things. Shine like gold digger, we couldn't rings. Black up things and the diamond rings. Cool no baby. When plastic that, I'm a plastic that. When I pass forward it, cool no.
Yeah, when you wine and go down, wine and come up. Stir it and no wine and stop. A big man things so me no easy for rock. All of them girl you me put first. Tell me love that thing there. Back it up on me, maybe.
Well, I'm not. It's over, Mike. I'm here so fast, you know. But you all left the board.
Call security now.
Start it same time.
Hey, y'all know why you're 6:30? Hey, y'all know why you work it? Bitch, motherfucker, know why you twerk it? Let me put it in work it. You want it? You got it going on your hand, turn me on. Alright, what's that? Turn me on. What's that?
Wine and go down 6:30 on the floor, wine and a stop. A big man thinks I'm not easy to come. Not all of them, girl, you make fun for. I'm not in there, back it up on me, you never say anything there. Every time you want me, she got me where. She got me where, yeah. Going up. I want to see the ladies and gentlemen. Lord.
Oh, for the general and sample it, you see me I say? You can do what I need over there. I want to know the microphone. Alex, I'm bringing to you on my thing. After you, well, I'm a ball. Roll up in a big hot gun, faster than pussy. And see if we don't put gunshot to your brain. Make it rain. Rap good, the room is not clear. When you say make it rain, we are talking about that brain. More, 10 cats, plant and spear. I want that 100 back to back here. Will we put up on the complete and make this check explain. Anyone call me name of the player for the next play. You know in Manila, you violate a cyanide to put on your pillar. The barretta goes to end all the dealers villa. You will pick all of us head to the mark on the villa. So if I want we give her, tell them below we give her. Bring out the city, use a caterpillar. Be a Godzilla, we will crush you with the killer. Lyrically, spiritually, we are still the bomber flat killer. Don't you say? Introduce it to you, bring it just like money. You know something? You feel like I rap now. I rap now. That's the time I'm going to sing on that DJ. So I'm going to flip the script a little bit. No motherfucker can kiss me, motherfucker them when them up like this. Like kiss me, either motherfucker don't kiss me. Because they have a lot of this stuff. Because them last year, I don't have to see I'm a black. All I kiss, I'm going to kiss you. in a leafy veg. Steep aside all you see them edge. Me close to the edge, no push. Plant the body and down rose bush. Look how them arrange, nobody would have ever know. Say that I agree of slave. So people you should know run your rise up. I don't say no can not me more. You don't. I time to creation. Kill everybody. Can't report when they move on the station. Chase on top and them do the investigation. Execution. That them occupation. We are the bodies in the nation. Do it to your skin. No need for segregation. That's for your future. You will never waste one. You'll have been up a shotgun faster than you see and see you can.
Big up for the politics. Hold on, we got one more sneak preview for you. One more rapper. Yeah. Well, my message is Nine Road. First you ever hear a yard is spit like this.
Nah, to them.
Nine to the road.
Call them on.
Give them some of that New York shit, son. Give them some flow that's sick, son. Nine Road, flip it.
You can run it, but you probably won't make it back. Cross the line, now you ain't gonna make the laugh. No lullaby, but I'ma make you take it back. Send the wrong threats, probably wanna take it back. Better face the fact, my paper stack. When I rub you out, like the beat when I lace the track. Ski mask, you probably think Jason's back. Then I get it poppin' like the Fox in the case of
For your sixer. Silver artist, body of the whole world there. What do you want when I say that's right? Mr. Blessed. Woo! Pull up. Yo, give some round of applause for Munga in the building. How I'm telling you. That's what I said. Shout out to TOK for the longevity.
That's why we want so.
That you want?
Yeah.
But before that in the bass. You know Rastaman like, I wanna hold you in my arms, keep your head upon my shoulder, and I will keep you warm, even when the night gets colder. We are growing love, and every day when we get older, I will keep you warm, I will keep you warm. And she said, no, pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up.
My officer, big up BSC.
Rastafari.
Craigie. Singer. Mad singer. Shout out TOK, call them Wallet.
TOK.
That's why they are representing. See me?
Tell them, no, nothing up for your movie. No, nothing up for your movie. No. Shout out 007 GMC anywhere you are. TOK. So what you see when you're the girl in the house? Push up the party, stop any bar. Pull up, pop, pop, pop. Slap me right like that. You know why? Why? Never. TOK, say them boy they no bad like I. Why you not like with TOK? Because we bad from we bad. Yo, give her the Munga round of applause. I want you to hear from me, my woman. If you don't hear more Munga, say more Munga. I pass you and bless up the thing, you know. You have to show them man crazy love, you know.
Hold on. Don't stop reading me. Who wants to something?
Who wants something, Dad?
Who wants to know, sir? As Munga saying, I know what they see okay about, you know. And every time we wake up in the morning, I feel blessed. Because one thing for sure about is that I have 3 brothers. What if anything happens, them better